Hey guys, today's video we're gonna be unboxing my brand new iPhone 11. I am so excited. I woke up so early for this. Early by I mean like 9 a.m. I went to the Apple Store straight. I only had my coffee. I even forgot my ID. And when I went to the Apple Store, they were asking for my ID. And I didn't bring my ID. But good thing I have a photo of it on my phone. But they're like, next time bring it. Otherwise, we won't give you your new phone. But I talked to them. I asked them if they could please give it to me. And here it is! So as you can see, I got the yellow iPhone. So this is just the iPhone 11. This is not the Pro because let me tell you the difference. I've been researching, I've been asking God which iPhone should I get, but I finally settled down on the iPhone 11 only because I'll tell you why. There are only two main differences in the phone, well, three technically for me, that is very important to me. One of which is the camera. So these has two cameras and the iPhone 11 Pro has three cameras. And the third camera for the iPhone 11 Pro is actually just a zoom lens and I'm not really into that. I already got my very ultra wide angle lens on my iPhone 11 and I thought I would need that for vlogging. So this could be my second vlogging camera. And the other difference is the battery life. This is an hour more battery life than the iPhone XR or the iPhone XS. And the other difference as well is the screen. The iPhone 11 Pro has a better screen than the iPhone 11. I made the decision to just get the 11 because I think it's a smart decision because then I can get the highest capacity, which is 256 gigabyte. If I got 256 gigabyte with the iPhone 11 Pro, I'd be paying $4,000 probably. So I just decided to upgrade the body and get the biggest memory that's available. And let me just say that I think the iPhone 11 is gonna be the most popular iPhone in this release. Similar to the iPhone XR, it was the most popular during that release time. So anyway, here it is. I'm gonna stop talking. So like I said, I got the yellow. I'll tell you why I got the yellow in a second, but the box looks very yellow. Even the Apple logo is yellow, as you can see. Okay, so now let's go ahead, peel this off. I love how they always make it so easy to, so satisfying. I love that they always make things so easy when peeling things off. We're gonna experience this all together, okay? I wanna drop the phone because I know that it is usually the very first thing that shows up. It's always, it's so pretty. So the reason why I got the yellow is because their lead color for this lineup is the purple. And the purple is beautiful and I feel like it's gonna be so popular and everybody's gonna get the purple. And I said to myself, don't conform to society, yani. I said, I'm not gonna get the purple, I'm gonna get whatever everyone hates and probably don't like, which is the yellow. And I'm not scared of it because as you all know, we can always buy a cover that will cover up the color of the iPhone. But this time I got a clear because I want the yellow to show. I actually just want the yellow. I don't know why I want the yellow, I just want to be different. If there was a blue color, I would have gotten the blue. So this is the phone. So here it is, the yellow iPhone. The phone has a shiny back. I heard the back of this is like glass. So in the box as well, you have the Apple paperwork that nobody reads really because. And then you have the charging brick. I have a lot of this everywhere around my house right now, but I'm grateful for another one because you easily lose this, but I've never lost mine for years. And then we have the headphones over here, and then the charger. I'm so grateful and happy to have another set of charger. Thank you Apple, and that is pretty much it. Can you imagine? $1,000 phone and that's all that's in the box. Like $1,000 phone, I would have expected to pay my bills, my insurance. So let's do the most satisfying thing on earth right now, which is peeling this peel off. I just also want to share that I came from an iPhone 7 and this phone is busted. As you can see, there's a lot of screen cracks in it. And I really waited to upgrade to a new phone. I'm not one of those, I used to be one of those people that will always have to get the new iPhone whenever there's a new one coming out. But adulting happened and I said to myself, priorities, Yani, priorities. I only upgraded because I really need a new one. And I thought it's gonna be a perfect second vlogging camera, like I said, because the lenses are wide angle, like I said, and I'm so excited to test that out. I'm actually gonna make another video reviewing or vlogging, trying to vlog with the iPhone 11. So like I said, the only difference between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro are the battery. The main difference really that you might want to be concerned of is the battery, one of which is the battery, the screen. iPhone Pro has a better screen, and the camera. That's really it. And I could care less for the zoom camera. I don't really need it because, like I said, I'll be using this mainly for vlogging, talking, so I need the wide angle. So I thought just get the iPhone 11 and get the highest memory and you'll be happy with life, yani. So I did that. The new upgrade as well for this new phone lineup this year is the front-facing camera has been upgraded to 12 megapixel. It used to be 7 megapixels, so now it's better. So like I said, it's better for vlogging. And I used to vlog like this. Like I always used the rear-facing camera because they always have better quality. But now that the front-facing has 12 megapixel as well, it's gonna be better. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this up. So now it's asking me for English. I love Apple products. That's why I love Apple product with their continuity feature. Look, I can set up the new phone using my old phone, and I am gonna do so happily. Oh, waiting for the other phone. Position the image. What? Oh my gosh! That is so cool. Look at this. And this, so I had to position this thing to that thing. Cool. Okay, so let's do Face ID. Oh my god, this is my first phone with Face ID recognition. I'm so excited. I'm doing big circles because I want my iPhone to recognize me. Also, I heard that the Face ID is a lot better this time, so it can capture your face or recognize your face in different many angles, especially when you're looking down, looking up, looking to the side, so it apparently is better. Okay, so now it's setting up the Apple ID. Agree. It's setting up the Apple ID now, and I actually just did a backup from my old iPhone to the iCloud, so I can just download that backup to my new phone. And some people would actually just start a new phone fresh, but that means I have to download everything, and I ain't about that life. I'm also planning to do a what's in my iPhone video. Comment below if you want me to do that. Oh, another new feature for the iPhone 11 is now it has the light and dark feature. So as you can see, maybe at night, that might be helpful. And then light. See? Cool. I also have to say, coming from iPhone 7, the screen is a lot bigger than the iPhone 11. There's more real estate in here. The only accessories that I got with it is, like I said, a clear case because I want the color to show. I'm gonna put that right now while it's backing up. And a screen protector. And that's about it. Boop. Cute. So there you have it, guys. That is my new iPhone. It is still backing up, but I'm excited. Thank you all for watching. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a what's in my iPhone, and I am definitely gonna test out the phone travel vlogging style or vlogging with a phone, because that's what I'm planning to do with the phone. I'm planning to make it my secondary vlogging camera for next year. If you didn't know, my partner and I were traveling the world next year for a year full time, so subscribe to this channel or to the travel channel, if whatever channel you're watching this, because I'm just uploading this one video to both channels to make it Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye guys! I'm so excited with new phone.